Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Make money with affiliate marketing, making back-end and residual commissions. Residual income puts money in an affiliate marketer's pocket without any work or effort on their part. It doesn't get any better than that. Sales of back-end products allow you to get paid for work that you do more than once. The idea here is to work smarter, not harder. So what are back-end products? They are products or services you offer to existing customers, i.e., to people who have already bought a first product, front-end product, lead product from you. Most online marketers make much more money selling customers the second, third, fourth, etc. product than selling their first product. The reason is that people who've already bought from you once are much more likely to buy again. Strategies like back-end offers shifts the focus from the short-sighted take the money and run strategy that is so much in use on the internet today. You've seen these sites all over. The focus is on getting a massive amount of traffic and then selling visitors an overpriced product that doesn't deliver what was promised. They might make money in the short run, but they will only sell to each customer once, and will have to continue spending a lot of money on advertising to get new suckers to visit their site. More successful sites focus on building a strong relationship with their customers. Your main goal shouldn't be to just make sure your customers are somewhat satisfied, you want them to be extremely satisfied. If you deliver the goods, your customers will trust you more. If you have their trust, you can sell them anything. When you send your very satisfied customers an email offering another product that they would be interested in, they will flock to your site to buy it because they trust you. Trust is everything. KOKOSHUNGSAN.UK provides multi-tier, multi-level affiliate tracking with up to 5 tiers. With the multi-tier affiliate tracking system, not only are you rewarded, you also get rewarded for encouraging other affiliates to join the affiliate program. We hope you will achieve your objectives. All the best to you. Learn more at uni24x7.com. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net